In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to link your Instagram and Facebook page to your WhatsApp for Business account. I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 16 device, but if you have an older version of Android or if you're trying to do this through a laptop, it's going to work for you. So you could also watch my video completely till the end. So the first thing is get hold of your Android phone and then you open WhatsApp for Business. Once you do that, you are going to see all your chats out here. Here, you need to go ahead and click on Tools and then you scroll down a bit and then under Manage Your Account, the second option, Facebook and Instagram, click on that option and then you are going to get an option to add your Facebook and Instagram page. Here, you need to add your business pages basically. So whatever page you have maybe on Facebook that you're promoting your existing business which you're doing through WhatsApp, you add that specific page out here by clicking on this plus sign and then click on Get Started. And then if you already have Facebook installed on your phone and you have that page, you could go ahead and confirm your account and your Facebook account or your specific page is going to be added to your WhatsApp for Business account. And how to add your Instagram page which you're doing business on is very simple. Once you are here on this page, click on the plus sign and then you are going to get a pop-up like this. Click on Continue and then you're going to be directed to the login page for Instagram. Put in the username or email address for the account you want to link to your WhatsApp Business account. Once you log in, you confirm. That's it. Your accounts are linked. Simple, quick and easy. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.